Hello and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. In today's video, let's take a look at some mid-century modern style bathrooms. Grab yourself a nice cool glass of ice water, Dr. Pepper, some hot coffee, iced coffee, or even some herbal tea. Sit back and relax to this beautiful video. This is one of my favorite home decor styles. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. Enjoy. had to pop in and say, what do you suppose that all of these knobs in the shower go to? I'm so curious. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.